Hey everybody, this is Doug from Live in Memory. We are at Rialto Beach on the Pacific Ocean in Olympic National Park. And you know, as much as I like the beaches where there's nice soft sand and you know, lots of sun and just the surf, this, I don't know if it gets much better than this, folks. Look at this. I mean, look at the Pacific Ocean rolling in. And then you have these rocks that are just rocks, small islands, whatever you want to call them, just sitting out in the ocean here. Absolutely amazing. And what's really cool, you just see people just standing there. They're just like trying to absorb it all in. Wow. I mean, one of these places that makes you go, wow. Well, another wonderful memory on our vacation after coming back from Alaska, coming here. So just want to share this with you and just take it all in with me. Hey everybody, getting out there, live some memories. We'll see ya. Bye.